In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message to a seller on Etsy. Whether you have questions about a product or need more details before making a purchase, contacting the seller directly can be incredibly helpful. To start, simply head over to the listing page of the item you're interested in. This can be done by searching for the product or navigating through your shopping tabs until you find the exact item you want to inquire about. Once you're on the listing page, take a moment to scroll down. You'll be looking for a section, often labeled as Meet Your Seller. This area provides some basic information about the seller, along with the option to reach out to them directly. When you find this section, you'll notice a button or link prominently displayed that says Message Seller Name. Clicking on this will open a convenient messaging window where you can compose your inquiry. Now that you have the messaging window open, think about the questions you have for the seller. You might want to inquire about custom options, verify details about shipping times, or confirm any other specifics about the product. Whatever your inquiry, type it out clearly and politely. Remember, direct and courteous communication often leads to quicker and more helpful responses. Once you've typed out your question or message, the next step is simple. Hit the send button. This will deliver your message directly to the seller, and you should receive a notification or response through your Etsy account once the seller gets back to you. This process of reaching out is incredibly valuable, especially if you're interested in personalized products or unique items that may not have all specifications listed. It allows you to gather all the information you need to make an informed decision. Plus, engaging directly with sellers can often provide insights into their craftsmanship or business ethos, enhancing your overall shopping experience. Remember, shopping on platforms like Etsy not only gives you access to unique items, but also connects you with small business owners and artisans who put a lot of care into their offerings. By taking the time to communicate with them, you build a connection that elevates your shopping experience, making it more personal and satisfying. That's the end of our guide on contacting sellers on Etsy. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this makes your next shopping experience on Etsy smoother and more enjoyable. If you have any questions or need further clarification on these steps, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy shopping!